Hey babe, how's it going? Hey, it's going good over here. Am I still up for doing something tonight? Absolutely. Absolutely. What time were you thinking? Yeah, let's shoot for then. Hey, would you mind wearing those sexy sweatpants you had on last time? With the crazy socks? Yeah, those. Yeah, they're pretty hot, so if you wouldn't mind putting those on for daddy. All right, I'll see you soon, hon. Bye. Hey, there she is. How's it going, babe? Yeah, it's going good today. I had a great time last night with you. Yeah. Did you have fun? Are you sure? Yeah, I did. I had a great time. Are you sure everything's all right? Okay. All right. Hey, I know we just got off the phone. Yeah, is everything okay? All right, just checking. Yeah. I'll talk to you later. All right, bye. Honey? Hey. I've been trying to call you all day. You haven't answered your phone. What's going on? Yeah? You have a lot going on? Okay. Babe? Something really seems off, honey. What's going on? Hi, honey. It's my fourth voicemail, I believe. Hey, are your voicemails going through? Are you getting them? Please let me know as soon as possible. I love you. Bye. Oh, shit. Babe? Babe, I tried to call you. Where are you? Babe?
Babe?
So, it is a bit exaggerated. I get it, all right? But make no mistake about it, when you're in that feeling and in that state, when you can genuinely sense your woman going cold, it is just a crazy feeling if you don't know what to do in it, and also if you don't know why it's happening. But today we're gonna just continue the series of why she went cold and basically go into detail about the roller coaster of emotions you're gonna experience. We're gonna talk about what it feels like to be on that roller coaster. We're also gonna talk about the fact that if you are with a woman, it is a roller coaster, okay? I don't care if you're broke on your ass or if you're a millionaire. It will be a roller coaster at times if you truly love this chick, okay? And it's definitely comforting to know that you can't escape it. You can't escape this matrix. You can't escape the fact that your woman will still be a woman at the end of the day. She will still have feminine nature at the end of the day. But I got good news for you. You will still have ingrained inside of you, whether you're tapped into it or not, your masculine energy at core. And if you know how to use that properly, you will be able to be the rock in that relationship. You will be able to be that steady mountain, and she will be the weather. She will be the unstable one. This isn't to say that a woman is completely unstable or that she can't hold down anything. That's not what we're talking about here. We're talking about the emotional dynamic, okay? And some women are more emotional than others. And you just have to be aware of how your woman is. And understand that, like most of the time in all my other videos, I talk about how when the woman goes cold, it's usually because she doesn't know she's doing it, but she's just testing your manhood. A woman doesn't wake up one day and say, oh, today I'm gonna be a little bit more cold with my man so I can see what his level of masculinity is. And then when he passes my little female test, when he comes home from work, I'm gonna make out with him more than I ever have. No. Women are not thinking like that, okay? Neither should you. You just have to understand that we are hardwired to do things, and you got to get away from social correctness. You got to get away from trying to logically figure this whole thing out. Women are emotional creatures. Get that through your head. Get it through your head that no matter how great you are, you will experience your woman being up and down. And that does include withdrawing a little bit from you. Okay? I'm sorry to break the news. I'm sorry to break that. Okay? But I will say this. we can dramatically reduce the frequency of her going cold. You might ask, how do we do that, Josh? Well, the first step is to be in your masculine frame and to be on your mission, because when you're doing all those things, she won't feel the need to kind of like see what you're made of every now and then. She already sees it, okay? She sees every day you get up and fight. Every day you're there pumping iron. Every day you're there making tons of money. You're confident. You deal with people. You put people in their place when you need to, okay? She sees all of that. Now, the less you're in that, and say you're more depressed, you're playing video games, you know, you're not really hitting the gym, you're just kind of like, well, if she loves me for me, no. It doesn't work like that, guys. So this roller coaster of emotions, it can be really hard at times. And truly, guys, the solution to this is just understanding that you can't escape the roller coaster, but you can make the roller coaster less insane and less crazy, okay, by just keeping in your manhood as much as possible and staying on your purpose in life, making tons of money, hitting the gym. And this will keep you focused, it will help, and it'll keep you centered, and your life will be so much better. And when you kind of mature in this area, I will say, how do you know when you've arrived? How do you know when you've arrived? When you actually find a woman going cold, kind of cute. That is when you know you've arrived, all right? When you actually have no emotional freak out and you genuinely find it kind of cute how she just like every now and then, you know, she goes into her little shell and then she does this and then she's more emotional and you find it pretty damn cute. That's how you know you're centered, okay? Because you're just in your masculine frame and she can be the woman that she wants to be, okay? Now, this doesn't mean you put up with an abusive relationship. This doesn't mean that you put up with a psycho woman, right? But it just means that no matter who a woman is, she's gonna be a woman. And you just have to accept that, guys. So don't beat yourself up. Just understand, you gotta be the rock, you gotta let her be the weather. Be that steady rock in the relationship. And guys, you can own my audiobook today by clicking that link below me. This will open your eyes to see all of the solutions to all the problems you've had with women, okay? If you struggle with approaching women, if you struggle with getting one in your life and maintaining a relationship and just being a better man and being more alpha, this audiobook is for you. You can take it home today. Thank you for watching this video today. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great day. Be empowered.